Let me show you a simple way to save a Word document as a PDF. Let's say you have a document such as a resume that you need to send to someone. Word has made this very easy. You need to go to the toolbar and you need to click File and then you'll click Save As. As I am working on a PC, I'm going to want to save it on this device, so I will make sure I've clicked this PC. I want to do this so the formatting of my document stays the same, so that anyone can open it using any program and it will look the way I intended it to. I will make sure my document has a name, and now I need to change the type of document I have from Word document to PDF. Then I will click Save, and my document will be saved to my device, but now it is saved as a PDF so that the format stays the same, it looks the way I intended it to, and nobody will be able to make any changes to the document that I have sent. Now my file has been converted from a Word document to a PDF. Thanks for watching.